Are sprouts really healthy? So to answer this question, let's compare between sprouts and the whole legume. So here I have moong and sprouted moong. So the difference between these two things essentially comes down to the carbohydrate and the protein content. So when it comes to protein, people believe this is a much superior source of protein, which is not exactly true. So the reality is that the protein content of whole moong and or the whole legume and the sprouts is exactly the same. There's no extra protein in this. But the difference is that there are certain amino acids which are in a better digestible form or better absorbable form. So the protein in sprouts may be absorbed better than the protein in your whole legume. So that is a significant difference. Another big difference is in the carbohydrate content. So when it comes to carbohydrate, sprouting, in the process of sprouting, makes your some of your sugars turn into fiber because it's useful for the structure of the sprouts. So the net carbohydrate or the body absorbable carbohydrate comes down on sprouting. So this has a better glycemic index or a glycemic load. So this is a better product or a better thing to have compared to whole legume for people like people with diabetes and etc. So there is that aspect, and this on general is more gut friendly. You get gas and farting and all sort of gut issues, not for everyone, but at least for those who have it, they might not get it with this one because this is much more gut friendly. So on the whole, yes, this is much more healthier than whole legume, but definitely not something that is like ultra healthy or like superfood as people would say. Definitely something you should have in your diet if you're a vegetarian, something you can include, something you should include, but definitely not a primary source of protein, like not the first thing that should come to your mind when you're talking protein sources.